Okay, this is the final product. The light is working really well. Now, unfortunately, this has caused a bit of an issue over on the driver's side, and that light will go out now. So, I'm not entirely sure. It kind of makes sense that if the ballast in the passenger side was on the fritz, see the driver's side just went out, that perhaps the driver's side also was about out. But the passenger side is very strong and I haven't had any trouble. I'll go ahead and put the bumper back on. Um, but I may end up changing out the ballast on the driver's side as well, in which situation the bumper would have to come back off. So I'll be very good at taking the bumper on and off of a Prius. Hopefully for one last time.